You know you're broadcasting
Okay.
at the minute.
Yes, I am. And you know that I'm about to play a song that I'm going to probably regret playing, but I need to make a call to Belinda Carlisle.
I was about to say.
I don't want this, but I kind of want this. Don't forget, it counts if it's any type of rain. It counts.
I know.
And I feel like Hungary in the Wet with these plebs could be interesting.
I'll get taken out.
Maybe. Yeah, but usually good in the wet.
I can't do anything when some dick just plows up my ass.
Or when you're thinking about Belinda Carlisle in your head. Come on, Belinda. Even rain at the end, like dry race and rain at the end, like the last 5 laps. I'll take that. Something interesting. It's here it comes. Thank you. There we go. And I'm going to hear Owens yell or scream about rain, because nice Xbox One X. You'll see it before me. Come on. Bit of something. Come on. Or the song only works in China. Come on. It's not that hard, Donor and Miniature Man. Come on. All right.
All right.
Go. Time for some Hungaries.
Oh, fuck. It's raining at the end of the race.
Are you actually serious?
I'm dead serious.
And even if the rain doesn't actually pour down, it still counts because it says it's going to rain. It works.
But don't forget, last time it was in this block, the 45-minute block, it came on like lap 10.
Wait a minute, let me just let me piss some people off. Oh, this is going to be a validation. Yes, it is. Oh my god, I've almost got upside down.
Considering how much practice I had, I'll take it.
27. Yeah, I was very close to you actually in the first 2 sectors.
No rain expected. No rain expected for the time being.
I've almost hit Penske. Oh, for God's... Oh my... Again, this is why I hate the formation lap. I hate it. I'm past 10, oh. Oh my God. Beep, beep! Go fuck yourselves. I hate the formation lap. I just want to go. I just want to get up the speed. One day some salty fucker is going to put that into the stewards and go, oh, you weren't fair, you weren't information.
Hey, Butler's not in this league anymore.
That's true. Did I hit... I don't think I did hit
just coming through.
The start sequence will begin as soon as the grid has formed.
Did I hit something? I don't know. Oh, doesn't matter. Oh, cold-tired! Alright, here we go. Time for the range on ABC. It's not a bad start. And here comes the dive bombers. Jesus Christ. Alright, Withers. That's probably not a smart eye. Oh, okay. Miniature Man's just hit zombie. Save free. We're not going side by side for here. Don't be an idiot. Oh, Miniature Man's about to get... Or Withers, whoever one that hits zombies about to get banned.
Wow, I'm actually leading the race.
Ooh!
Oh, whoops.
Oh, Calbo's on red bar. That's just not what I want to see. Oh my god. Red bar, red bar. This is great. This is what I want to see. Oh my god, the racing points are trying to kill each other. Alright, Calbo, you know I'm quicker than you. Just make it easy. Yeah, nice overtake.
Great maneuver. You made it look easy.
No, I don't want to battle down here. Oh, a little bit of a love tap. It's okay. It's not hard. If that was going to be a warning, I would have quit. BT line. Oh, and these two are going to be flying everywhere because they're on softs and they're going to be dead in about a lap. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, zombie.
Caution, caution.
Oh.
The virtual
Safety
car
car.
is
Oh,
out.
virtual. Okay.
Reduce speed and maintain a positive delta.
So what excuses are going to be this time, huh, zombie?
Drop your speed.
What excuses are going to be this
low
time?
and we risk a penalty. Slow your pace immediately.
Yeah. What excuses are going to be this time, huh? Slow! My delta's a second! Pick up the pace, you
Virtual
fuck!
safety car is ending. Maintain
What is
your
miniature
pace until
man?
the green flag. VSC ending.
Fuck!
Wait for green.
Going for the move.
Green flag.
Ugh. Oh, almost died. Jesus. Oh, miniature man, fuck. It's not me. Oh my, what is this? I apologize, boss, for talking too much, but this Jesus Christ. These two are literally just trying to kill each other. Oh my god. The miniature man's just lagging all over the place. XXX. Fastest lap. Get in. Never mind. Oh my god. Miniature. I did a bit of a cheeky dive on there, but you're fucking lagging. What else am I meant to do? Like, fuck.
The car ahead has been pushing hard. This could mean they are struggling with low fuel.
Oh my god, Withers. Jesus Christ. Let's just get away from this group. DT line. Oh my. I'm scared for my life. Oh my god. Oh my god, and he's lagging too, and I don't know what I'm doing. Come on, dude.
He's lost 2 spots. Fuck my life. Jesus, dubstep.
Okay. Those two just got warnings. I gotta stop taking that line or I'm gonna bottle it. Oh, Deno. Oh my god. What's happened up here?
I might have just squeezed Penske off track.
Where's your pace gone?
I made a massive mistake.
What are you doing? Why are you weaving? That's illegal, my friend.
Jesus, Penske.
Good job.
That is illegal.
Oh, mate, what a move.
Thanks, mate. Yeah, you're really helping me out here for the podium.
You're welcome. Mate, I am parking the biggest bastard.
What is this?
Shows the tyres are
I'm
okay.
so slow.
We anticipate good levels of grip for the next few laps at least.
Max mate's pissed off.
Oh, I did make a
Yeah,
huge
God.
mistake.
I did make a huge mistake. Jesus Christ, I've clawed into my field. Fuck. Oh my
tried the
god.
bus.
Your tyres are fucked. Jesus Christ. Am I driving your car? Oh boy. Oh, Edge has just died on Penske. Ooh. That's close. Oh. I'm scared for my life being in this group.
Rain is forecast in just over 10
Rain
minutes'
in
time.
10 minutes.
Really?
Well, knowing Jeff in about 5 laps time, he'll say 10 to 15 minutes, but at the moment, he says 10 minutes. Oh, don't know. Well, mate, you might be able to hold P3 here because Dona's driving like a nonce. And here's my second warning. Never mind. Oh, edge. The edge stuff.
Keep pushing. You're gaining on the car ahead.
Don't you pull... I'm there, Edge. I'm there.
You're increasing the gap on the car behind by 0.5 per lap.
Edge, don't even think about it. Okay, good. Oh, risk it for the biscuit.
Oh,
Let's
Keller's
go.
just hit him.
Remember, box this lap. Keep an eye
Yeah,
on your
risk it
distance
for the
to the speed
biscuit.
limit line as you approach, and make sure you don't speed.
I'm risking it for the biscuit. Tires on like 60, and I know in this game, the rain, it could not be enough for inters for quite a bit. You don't know.
Exactly.
So, risking it for the biscuit. And maybe for an extra point. Upset only went mediums. I'm surprised. I mean, these softs are a bitch around here, but I'd take the chance on softs. Why not?
Up to speed now.
Oh
Let's get some
no.
heat into those
Fuck.
tires.
Fuck.
What?
Oh. Just came out ahead of those guys. Alright. Give it
Come
to
on!
me. Yeah!
That's a new fastest lap for the race.
Alright. Time to conserve. Not go
Everyone's
crazy.
Back off to my pace, essentially.
Pretty much. I pray for this fucking rain to come.
They'd asked you.
Yes! Yes! Flicker!
Oh,
Flicker!
I see
Flicker!
it.
Flicker, baby!
I see it!
Yeah! 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 Oh my god! Jesus Christ!
I just saw your car getting bigger and bigger.
Tyre situation is an interesting one, but I think the right call is to stick with what we've got right now.
Alright, here we come.
It's just
Edge.
going to be a sitting duck.
God,
Mate,
close
can
to
you
you
not
again.
get that close?
Mate, I still have a bit of grip. These soft. Maybe I should have qualified on the softs. These are fantastic. Oh boy.
You're increasing the
Oh,
gap to the
boy.
car behind by a few seconds per lap.
Oh
Keep this
my
up.
god. See ya. Bye bye. He's almost buffed.
New strategies available.
Confirmed. We'll receive you at the end of this lap.
I'm just not sure it's quite time yet.
Yeah,
Oh!
Oh, see ya. Goodbye.
Whoa, you nearly just took me out too.
Mate, you would have gone for the move if you saw that too.
I would have, yes. Nice assist.
Understood. Stopping
Yeah, I'm
this
putting-
lap.
I'm pitting. I'm definitely pitting.
And Penske's in the
If you're
pits.
pitting, and if you're pitting, just be wary. I'm very slow in this bit.
Check your MFD for a new strategy option.
You are
Yeah,
slow.
I know, Jeff. It is, yes, it is. Okay, good, 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 good.
They're gonna get out well ahead of me
Exit
because I
now.
fucking
You'll
got
be
held
racing
up.
Fuck!
to leave the pits. Release, release.
Well, it's the same gap because I didn't release
Look
the
after
right
these
time.
tyres now. We want to finish the race on this compound.
Oh, this is going to be fun. Let's see how terrible this is for me.
They're on fresh inters. The time last lap was a 1 minute 33.
And yep, there's your position.
Oh, I can't turn!
The gap gap to the car behind is 2.1 seconds. They're on fresh inters. Their tyres are
nearly
2
Felipe
laps
Massa
off.
did it.
The time last lap was a 1:41.0. They have a time penalty of 3.0.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, come on.
Oh.
Oh my god, okay. Come on, mate, this is allowing Edge to catch up. Fuck. Oh my Jesus.
I've got no grip. I don't know why.
I was nice enough to let you by. Now you just...
No, you didn't.
just
You fucking
decide
made a
like
mistake.
Nah, I'll let you for it. Great! Now Edge is gonna have me.
If you think you can get past, increase ERS deployment to overtake
Goodbye.
mode.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Fucking hell!
Increase ERS deployment. It's time to use some of this charge.
What?
Oh?
You laughing because I'm experimenting with different lines?
You coping okay in this weather? We're
No.
watching the amount of standing water on the road. For now, we think it's safe to stay with the Inter.
Oh!
You're welcome.
Oh, you pussy.
Mate, I know you're going to bin it in a minute anyway, so... Oh, here comes the heavy rain.
They're on. Our gap to the car in front is 13.5 seconds. We've been awarded a time penalty. It will go against our finishing time at the end of the race. This is your final lap of the race.
Give me DRS! You do have penalties, right? Mitchell? That's why I let you go.
Talk after the race.
Alright, Sebastian.
I just want to finish.
Holy shit.
The gap to the car ahead is 13.9 seconds. The gap behind us is 1.9 seconds. They're on old inters. Their
I think you're
tyres
gonna beat me if you only got one penalty
The time
because
last
of
lap
that
was
mistake.
1 minute 32.1.
I'm not.
Oh, he's got more than one penalty, does he?
No, just don't fit the gap will be 3 seconds. So you want to know when I got my penalty?
Lap 1?
2 laps to go. 2 laps to go. Cornerstone got a penalty. 4 penalties. Oh my god. Kind of surprised. I thought more people would have got penalties. Oh yeah, that's right. Something left. That took 50 minutes. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Ooh. Pretty crazy. Ooh, that's a pretty crazy start between you at the front.
Is it?
Yeah, so you saw like 3 wide going into turn 1. This is some cowboy. It's the move on miniature man. Pretty much pushed him out of the way. Had to. I wasn't going to sit behind that lagging ass.
Yeah, I want to see my clips.
See my clips when I fucking upload the fucking video. That's just me and Edge. Oh, got a bit close to Edge there. Oh, oh. Who's this? Oh, of course. Oh, that's when you came in the pits, okay. Just across all the highlights, just in the fucking dry. See, the thing is, I'll show him the clip and he'll be like, that's not swerving. Like fucking Spagball when he used to do dumb shit. This is my move on you. Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, that's when I almost died in front of you. Fuck is that, Simon? Alright, Belgium next week. Hell yeah.
My favourite track to drive